Ana Martins. I'm jewelry designer and I'm one of the co-founders of this project, and my main work here is creative director. I oversee the quality control, I support the production management, and I'm dealing with the customer relations as well. We managed to create the three-in-one. We have a design studio, we have our own manufacturing, and we have a gallery where we showcase our collections. So we have casting, we have a gem cutting unit, we cut our own stones. We have 3D printing, laser cutting, laser engraving. We have our setting is all done under a microscope to achieve better quality, to achieve better shining. We have the hand engraving. That is one of my favorites. And we have the carving. It doesn't have to be required to be our own way. So in here it's the customer way. It's not required that you are a professional, because we are, and we support the designers in that way.